Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to repost and redo a dance that I did, and it's called, the original dance that I did, it was the Cincinnati Stomp, okay? So someone reached out to me, shout out to Lady T, and she dug up the history of this dance. So the original dance and the name of this dance is called the Continental, okay? It was created by the Jenkins family from New York in 1962. They performed at the Apollo and they won second place, $10, Showtime at the Apollo in 1962. So I wanted to make sure that I gave y'all the right history on this dance. Again, the name of the dance is the Continental. Okay, so the song is
if you have an hour this week.
The song is Doing It to Death. And the artist is, the JB's Frank Wesley. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the Nova Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Again, I'm reposting this dance. I originally called this dance the Cincinnati Stomp, but I found out the history through Lady T of this dance. It's called the Continental. It was created in 1962. So check it out. And if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video.
Hit it. How you feel, brother? You feel good? With so much bone, brother. How you feel, man? I'm sorry, I want people to know you're in here. How you feel, brother? Hey, yeah! You're getting down. Look here! Ha!
check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, Louisiana, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.